If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbop Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbop Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce.
Hello, welcome once again. The name still remains Gbop Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how to make Bitcoin online free into our Bitcoin wallet. This is just very legit, and this website is really boosting my head. Ever since I met this free website, they are the only website that let me know there is a way to earn free Bitcoin. I used this website for 2 months now. I wrote 2 times, and now I don't need to be earning alone from this website. I need to show this to my viewers and subscribers. And if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, choose the top one, which is all, and you will be added to this family. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be notified that a video is being uploaded. And if you know you're already a member, give this video a thumbs up so that we can go viral. For us not to waste time, just put your comment in the comment section, because I really recommend your comment a lot. That direct me to do whatever I'm to do. So let's jump into these videos. Today, where we are to make our money is this. So just check in the description, there is a link there. Tap on this link now and to move you to a registration form. Just fill in your details, and when you finish, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now when you finish this, the dashboard will look like this. So I'm having 0.0003 Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. Now we call this ticket. This ticket are something that we will use. These are the tickets. That is what we are going to use to be earning this Bitcoin. So now the number of tickets you have are what we are going to use to earn. Now you scroll down like this, and you see here it says stake amount is 0.001. So when you roll this, it's by luck, you earn any amount that they will give you. That is what you earn. So now someone asks, how do we earn this ticket? You can buy this ticket by depositing a money. So you deposit and buy, but we are making money here free. So there is a way you can earn free ticket. Now go see these 3 lines here, just type on it. Now when you type on it, we have dice game, buy ticket and free ticket. So hit on this free ticket. Look at the free ticket here. So when you hit on this free ticket, it will load. Now you need to have own ticket before start playing game. We will help users with free ticket. You can get free 0.01 ticket every 60 minutes. Log in every 60 minutes and take yours. So this is the minute. I already take mine, and these are the free ticket that I'm using to earn this money. First I bought and I add small and grow my money, so I'm using this free ticket. So when you starting, you can use the free ticket. Just have time. In every 60 minutes you just monitor and go there and pick your free ticket and roll. Whatever you get, you leave it. So that is how you do it till your money will reach your requirement. So when you reach your requirement you want to do, just hit on this, just hit on it, it will load. Now when they load, an interface will open. They say deposit, how to top up. So this is your deposit wallet. Come down, they say withdraw. So this is my balance. So the minimum withdrawal is 0.001 Bitcoin. So you just put your Bitcoin wallet here and type on withdraw. This website is very legit, and we have been paying. Now let me show you a payment proof from their website in the next video that will make. I'll be making a live withdrawal in the next video, so that will let you know it's very legit. So for you not to waste time, just check in the description, there is a link there. Take it fast and also start earning before maybe a next video come. In GoPay Tech TV, we bring out videos when something is legit and it has been tested. I test some website and I went on lost, so I'm not going to let my viewers and subscribers also go lost on those websites. My aim is to bring videos that will let you earn online. So if you don't prefer this, you can put it in the comment section. We still have more videos to give, and other videos are also there. If you did not watch, go through them and watch, and those that you prefer you'll be working with. Thank you for you always being with us.